Here is how to blur background in CapCut. So blurring background in CapCut is easy. All you have to do is to follow these steps that I'm going to show you one by one, and at the end you're able to blur your video. So I'll be sharing this video into two parts: how to blur your background in CapCut Mobile and how to blur your background in CapCut PC. To blur background in CapCut Mobile, launch your CapCut app, then open a new project, upload or import the video you want to blur the background, and then duplicate the video. Yeah, let's duplicate the video. Scroll to your right and look for duplicate. Here is it. Duplicate the video, then convert the second duplicated video to overlay. Still scrolling to the right, tap overlay. That is it. Then go back to the main video, select the main video, and then go back and then select effects, video effects, then search for blur. Search, select blur, then go back. Then we have to drag the blur to the end of the main video here. Now at the main video, as you can see, our video is now blur, so you can adjust the blur from here. Tap on the blur, tap on adjust, and then you can adjust the blur from here. So let me keep it somewhere at 60, then go back. Then you have to go back now, go back and select overlay. Then we can go back, scroll to the right and select our overlay video. Then scroll to the right again, select remove BG, then auto removal, and then go back. Now we need to drag the video, overlay video, to our left to match the main video. So our background is now blur. As you can see, our background is blur. So if you want to replace the background with picture, all you have to do is to tap on the plus icon here, then select the picture you want to use, then add, and then you have to remove this main video here. Tap on the main video, tap on delete. The main video has been removed. So as you can see, I'm on the background now. So let me drag the picture to the end of the overlay video. I think it's at the end of the overlay video now. So I will tap on the overlay video again, then go back, select effect, video effect, then I'll search for blur, then select blur, then go back. Our background is now blur, so I have to drag the blur effect to the end of the picture. So that is it. As you can see, our video is now blur. Let me preview the video. So if you want to adjust the blur, tap on adjust here. You can adjust or reduce the blur to your taste. So, and that's it. To blur background in CapCut, open a new project and import the video you want to blur the background. Like here now, I have my video and background picture that I will use. But first, let me blur the background of my video. So I'll drag the video to the timeline. Here is the video. Then I will press auto on my keyboard. Then click on the video and then drag it up. I've duplicated the video. So the video is now 2. This one is overlay, while this one is the main video. So now I have to click on the overlay video and then go to cutout and then choose auto cutout. Choose auto cutout. And then I'll wait for it to cut out. As you can see, it's loading here. Now the video has been cut out. Let me turn off the main video. As you can see, the overlay video is showing without background. Let me turn it back on. Now I'll click on effects, video effects, click on lens. Here I can search for blur. Model resources. So this is not surface blur. I'm looking for blur. Okay, let me use this one. As you can see, I just have to drag it on top of the video. It's on top of the video now. So as you can see, the background is now blur. I want to use picture as a background. So let me import the picture that I use. Go back to media and drag the picture, and then put it here. Let me drag it to be under this overlay video, and click on the picture, and then go to my effects, lens, and then I'll choose blur. Here is blur. Drag it on top of the picture, on top of it. So here I can adjust the amount of blur that I want to my taste. Hope you can see it. So then I can now turn this one off, or I can as well delete it. So let me preview the video now. As you can see, my background is blur. That's how to blur your background in CapCut. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.